Instead of replacing your hose because it leaks, it is best you learn how to fix a water hose leak using quick and easy techniques. Your garden hose is a faithful tool that is best used for hydrating your garden or lawn or carrying out any exterior task that needs water. A leaky hose wastes water and makes your work more difficult, plus you only notice it when you have the job running. Fortunately, it is easy to fix a water hose leak with smart and affordable DIY fixes that we will show you in this video. You can now extend its life instead of purchasing a new one each time you have a leak. How to fix a water hose leak. The first most important thing is to determine where the leak on your hose is coming from. This is not difficult to tell once you turn on the water. It will show the actual spot and the severity of the problem. It also tells you how much effort it will take to fix it. Here are different types of leaks and their fixing procedures. Water hose repair small leaks. If the hose leak is releasing small gushes of water not strong enough to squirt you in the face, here are your mending options. Option 1. Use a tire puncture repair kit. These are sold at bicycle repair shops or car parts stores. Once purchased, read the directions carefully and apply the repair materials to the hole. Option 2. Use the specifically designed hose repair tape or electricity tape. First, clean and dry the hose part that needs repair before application. Once dry, overlap the tape as you wrap it around the hose. Do not wrap it too tightly because the tape will not seal and so the hose will crease or fold. Option 3. Use rubber cement for punctures and tears. First, clean and dry the area before applying rubber cement to and around the hole. Fill the leaking hole with the right amount of cement. Too much cement gets inside the hose and blocks the water path. Garden hose repair large leaks. A large leak requires more skill and time but is still possible to carry out. Large leaks require that you cut the leaking section out and replace it with a mender. Use a sharp blade always that will help you make a straight cut. Carry the cut part with you as you go to purchase the replacement part to be certain of the right part. The part will also greatly depend on whether you have a vinyl or rubber hose. Step 1. Carefully cut out the damaged portion of the hose in a straight line. Step 2. Loosen the screws on the replacement coupler. Step 3. Insert the cut ends of the hose into the side of the clamp mender. If the part is tough and difficult, rub a little soap on the area to make it a little slippery and pliable. Step 4. Tighten the screws until the clamp is tight enough that the water pressure cannot pull it out. Step 5. After the repair, be sure to turn the water on to test the outcome of the connection. Keep tightening the water until the water leaks no more. Leaking spigot. A leaking spigot is a clear sign that the washer is worn out and needs to be replaced. Washers wear out with age and constant use. To repair it, simply remove the old one and replace it with a new one. If it is still leaking, it means the coupling could be the problem. It may have gotten physically damaged if ran over by a lawnmower or any other piece of heavy equipment. If the coupling is bent, it loses the watertight seal between the hose and the spigot, sprinkler, or nozzle, causing a leak. Replacing it with a new one is ideal. It's not too difficult to spot a leak in a garden hose. In any case, it seems to always target to spray on your face. Having learned how to fix a water hose leak in this video, it's best to remember protection is better than cure. The best way to avoid always repairing your garden hoses is to protect them. Hoses do not like to be left under the hot sun for long, they break or crack. A well-taken care of hose will last you many years. Be sure to drain all the water out after use and keep it out of the sun. Coil it after use and replace the washers immediately if they show signs of dripping. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.